In a world that never stops demanding our attention, anxiety has become our constant companion. 8 centuries ago, the Sufi poet Rumi offered wisdom that still speaks to our modern struggles. The cure for pain is in the pain. These 7 words contain a profound truth about our relationship with suffering. When we resist our worries, they grow stronger. But when we turn toward our pain with acceptance, something miraculous happens. By acknowledging our suffering rather than avoiding it, we discover its purpose, to guide us toward healing. The next time worry finds you, instead of seeking distraction, try this. Breathe deeply. Name your feeling. Ask what it's trying to teach you. This practice aligns with the spiritual principle of surrender, recognizing that our struggles often contain the very lessons we need most. As Rumi teaches us, true peace doesn't come from escaping our pain, but from the wisdom we find within it. The wound is where the light enters you. What pain might be trying to teach you today? Share your thoughts in the comments.